Yesterday was a memorable day as I was graciously invited to join Miss Pia Yanson's exclusive magazine signing event at Gaisano City, Bacolod. Surrounded by elegance and celebration, it was an honor to witness this milestone. Stay tuned as we delve into the highlights of this extraordinary occasion.
So much for coming here today to support me and the first launching of Rising Tigers. First and foremost, I would like to acknowledge the presence of First Lady Nikki, Brandon and Natalie, and all my family, friends, and relatives who came to support. Thank you very much. I am so touched and humbled. Being a Rising, I am also very grateful and thankful to be chosen to be in the cover of such a prestigious magazine. Inspiring that I was chosen as a leader, and the title that they gave me was Power and Purpose. I was so shocked, but I realized that each and every one of us, all of us, we all have our individual power and purpose in life. And it's up to us to use that power and our purpose for the good of humanity. And I feel deeply in my heart that my purpose is to inspire everyone, the community. I think my message to everyone is just to continue to have faith in the Lord and to continue to be resilient and to continue to inspire others as well as our families, and know that with God, nothing is impossible. That's it. Have a great day, everyone. And I hope my story will inspire you as well.
Yes. That's 30 pages of beautiful. Okay. Okay, so let me call on first the family, the immediate family, Mommy, Daddy, and Brandon and Natalie.
They should be strong and have the heart to keep moving. And they should be able to keep...
Ako na yung bahala, sila kung sila madala, ako lang yung dapat, kaya dala. May mga langers ko na tayo. Okay na naga. So, hindi mang tabog, lugar rin sa rings lang. Okay, perfect.